212, find S91. So we're finding the sum of the first 91 terms. Remember the formula Sn is equal to n over 2, then 2a plus n minus 1d, like that, right? And then we have our a, we have our n, we have our d. So we substitute into the formula. So S91 is equal to 91 over 2, then 2 times 7, then plus 91 minus 1 times 5, right? Then you can put this in the calculator. Then S91 is equal to 21,112. And then the other thing you can do here is to use this formula Sn is equal to n over 2, and then a plus l, where l is the last term. So we have our l here. We already got it from our 211. So we can use that. S91 is equal to 91 over 2, and then we have 7 plus 457, right? And then what you get, S91 is equal to 21,112. Okay, right.